Hey there, it's Nathalie. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Be sure you give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, a whole thing. Anyway, so what I'm going to do today is just a little tiny preview of how to make this bucket hat. I've designed this pattern for, it's adjustable. It's an adjustable bucket hat. And so I've designed it for a 22 to 25 inch-ish head measurement. And the pattern and the video tutorial, which is done on Teachable, is for sale over on my Etsy shop, My Hall Closet. I'll put the link in the description box below. Anyway, so on today's video, I'm just going to give you just some little highlights, a little preview of this, and I hope that you'll hop over there and pick up the pattern for yourself and make you a cute little bucket hat. So this pattern is going to have one seam in the back, so the center front is going to be on the fold. But if you wanted to, so this is what it looks like all pinned around, and so now we're going to stitch it. All right, we're going to put a 1/4 inch seam all the way around this brim. Got this all clipped around, and so we're going to turn it right side out and go to the ironing board. You don't have to go to the ironing board, but I'm going to go to the ironing board and press this seam. Again, pull that, tug that out of the way. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you like and subscribe and share me with your friends. Hop over to Etsy at My Hall Closet to get the pattern, and then also the complete video tutorial is along with it. That's included with the pattern. It's going to be on Teachable in my With All My Art Academy. I've got other videos over there too, like the complete So Simple for beginners that has 16 projects in it. Anyway, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.